Hey guys, welcome to a Project review once again. So guys, today I want to show you how you can use Kinemaster for beginners. If you know you want to edit videos, or you have a YouTube channel and you are learning how to create your videos, or you don't know how you can create your videos or how you can edit your content. So today I want to show you a simple software or application which you can use on your mobiles to edit your videos in the way that no one will notice that you are even using your mobile. Yeah, so this application is called Kinemaster. We can download this application on Play Store. So if you go on Play Store, you can check this one by searching Kinemaster. So once you search this Kinemaster, you can download automatically. Yes, so I'm going to show you a simple beginning how you can start by editing simple videos. Yes, so this side, it shows the projects which you have been working on. So it saves all the projects. If you, for example, you edit a video and you don't delete it in your phone, it will save it. Yes, so if you are starting to create, for example, you have a video which you want to create, you start from pressing on this button, the middle one. Once you click on it, it will ask you the resolutions which you want. If you're creating a video for Facebook, you will use a ratio of 1:1. Instagram, ratio of 1:1. Then if you're using a YouTube, you want to create content for YouTube, we use the ratio of 16:9, because YouTube gives the specific ratio which you can use, and that is 16:9. If at all you don't know the ratios which you can use, so the ratio is 16:9. So click on that one. Once you click on it, it will open for you the videos or the content in your phone. So you have to select which content you want to use. So for example, let me select this video. So once you select it, it tells you, for example, this video is not good, but it is okay. So once you select it, then you can click on this on left, on the right top corner, click on it. Then that means you have selected this this uh, this video, this certain video. Yes, so I'm going to show you. After selecting the video, you want to add in some animations, you want to make some cutting some clips, yeah, like that. So to get the settings of the video, like editing, you have to tap on it. If you tap on that video, here on the right corner, you will see the settings, what you can change on that specific content which you have tapped on. So for example, now I want to stream, to cut one edge on the left corner. So once you tap on the video, then you can click on this logo for scissor, then you can trim to left of playhead. Yes, so meaning if you stream like this, you see I've cut that side and I want to stream also to the right. Yeah, to the right here, so I have to stream to right. Yes, now for example, I want to to add some content. in the middle of the video. For example, I want to add here, you have to tap on the video. After tapping it, the settings will pop up. So you again tap on the trim scissor, that logo, then you split here. Once you split, that means you can add any content in the middle here. Yeah, so for example, I want to add one content, so come here on the media, first put it here in the middle of the red line, then come here on the media. Once you click on the media, then you can select from your content what you want to add. I want to add this one. Again, click here on plus. So this is the content I've added. If I can play, you see, yeah, that is the content I've added. Then now I want to add, for example, I want to add my logo here on the screen. That logo is called, you have to add it as a layer. As a layer, you don't add it as a media, no, it's called a layer, because you want it to appear on the top of the video. So you have to click on the layer. Once you click on the layer, then this will pop up. Then you click on the media. So that means we have two media. One is for the content which the main content, then another media is for the content which will act as the layer. So let me select for the logo. Yeah, this is the logo. So once you click on it, again click here on the top. Then, as I said, what you want, if you want to edit anything, you have to touch on it. So let me touch on the logo. So after touching on the logo, I will move it with my hand. Then by tapping on this arrow, you are reducing the size. Yeah, I want to put it here in the corner like this. Yes, after putting it there, if you pray, there will be no animation like popping up like that. So you want it to pop up, either coming from bottom or coming from the corner. So tap on the media which you want to edit, then go on its settings, click on in animation, the way how it will come in, like fading, pop up. You want it to slide. Okay, I want it to slide right, and I don't want it to come fast, I want it to come slowly. Yes, like that. Yes, like that. Then I want it to stay until I want it to stay. So click here like this. Sorry guys. If you want it to stay in the video until the video ends, you tap on this edge, then you pull it, keep pulling it until the end of the video like this. All right, you want it to stay on the screen, okay. Then that one I finished. Then I want it to move out when the video is ending. I want it to move out by clockwise like that, and I want it to move it slowly like that, like that. Yes. Then again, I want it the way when the video is playing, I want it to, we are still on the logo, I want it to to keep maybe blinking like this, like that, or you can keep it like that or like that. So it's about what you want. Okay, it's about what you want, but this one is also nice. Yeah, it's about what you put, what you set. Yes, and then again another thing in the video, let's go back in the video. In the video you want the video to go on the high speed. You come here, for example you are doing unboxing, you want the video to be fast, you have to increase speed like this. That means the video will go fast. Alright, but remember you have to, if the video you have increased the speed, that means the audio will get damaged, so you have to mute the audio. You get the point? In the video, the original audio, you have to mute it so that it doesn't go. Okay, let me show you another trick. So that's the way how you can make the video to go very fast. You can see, you see, this is the way you see the video, the speed has increased. Yeah, that's the way you can do that. Then we have muting the video. So once you click on the video which you want to mute, then this is the logo for the sound. Click on it, then click here. That means you have muted the video like that. So we also have the transition of the videos like that. So you click on this, then you add the transitions. These transitions you can download them from Kinemaster by typing here down on the edge, get more. When your internet is on, then automatically you will get more options. Yeah, but I downloaded already. For example, zoom in, that's the sample. We have 3D cube, this one. Yes, yeah, but I like zoom in and zoom out. This one is okay. Yes. Then how you can add background audio. So you can add background audio by tapping here on the audio, then you select the audio which you want, background audio. Yeah, for example, let's add this one. Yeah, by tapping here it will go automatic, then again tap on this tick. Yeah, so this is the audio which we have added in, but the audio comes sometime when the pitch is high, so you have to reduce its pitch. So click on the, as I said before, whatever you want to edit, you have to first click on it. When you click on it like this, then the settings will pop up. So click on this logo for the sound, then reduce its volume. Yes, click reduce its volume, for example 10. Okay, let's play and see. Yeah, you see. Yes, so that is how you can add the background audio. Yeah, and then if you want to, for example, the audio sound is not good and you want to record another audio, you can record other audio by clicking on this voice, then you click on start recording. Yes, that's how you can record separate audio while you're editing your video. Yes. So other thing about this, you can how to duplicate a file. Once you click on the file, then you can click here, duplicate. You see, duplicate as layer. For example, you want to duplicate this file, click on duplicate. You see, now see, I've duplicated the file. Then if you want to duplicate it as a layer, once you click on it, for example, let me duplicate this. Once you click on it like this, click on this, then duplicate as a layer. So this layer, you can, if you want to move this layer, you see, you can move it like this by tapping it and hold. Yeah, press and hold, then move it where you want it. Then if you want to edit it, tap on it, then you can reduce the size and put it where you want it. For example, I want it here in the corner. Yes, that is it. So now, I say I've put it there in the corner. So meaning if I play the video like this, it will pop up like that. Yeah, so you can add more settings by tapping on it, then the way what you want to 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 edit in the video. It is all here. Yes, then let me add a subscribe button, so that you can know how you can. I will make a separate video of making subscribe button. Yeah, but for the meantime, I want to show you what we call Chrome key. Chrome key, how you can use Chrome key. Sorry, I have to add it as a layer. You have to click on the layer, then you click on the media, then you select subscribe button. This is my subscribe button which I use in my videos. I will make a separate video how you can make this subscribe button. This subscribe button has a green layer, so once you select it, you have to come and activate Chrome key. So when you enable Chrome key, all the background, the green background will disappear. Yes, that is my subscribe button. See, yeah, that is a subscribe button. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, or there are some more tricks which you want, because Kinemaster does a lot of things. So if at all you want me to show you how you can do something, you can just leave a comment down in the notifications, in the comments, so that I can assist you in any way. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.